Lifelong yoga mat for women and men. EVA material, 4mm black anti-slip for gym workout. About this item. Thickness. This 4mm durable mat is designed to provide the best cushioning and make your exercise sessions comfortable. Product warranty. The mat comes with a 6 months warranty. Durable. This mat is made from durable foam that's both lightweight and strong. Its remarkable resilience allows you to keep your balance while working out. Portable. The mats can be easily carried and are lightweight. It is compact enough to tightly roll up and toss in the cover bag. Multifunctional. Use the mat for anything from yoga and Pilates to stretching, meditation, and other strengthening exercises. The non-slip textured surface provides the best grip without sacrificing comfort. Sweat-resistant. The yoga mat is sweat-resistant and is easily washable after you are finished exercising. This anti-slip mat is resistant to water as well. This helps you perform workouts with proper hygiene and ensures comfort.